Hey guys, what's going on? It is Vlogging Wolf, but I'm gonna try and change my name to Vlogging slash Gamer Wolf because I've been doing a lot of games on my channel. So yes, it makes no sense if I just put Vlogging Wolf. So it might be Gaming Wolf or something like that. But so yes, guys, we are doing my mystic romance today, and if you hear me nomming on something like here crunchy, yeah, I'm eating right now, so yes, I haven't ate all day and I'm freaking starving, so come on. I'm legit tapping the screen. There's nothing. This will take the bait now, won't it? This is gonna take the fucking piss. Sorry, we. Oh, so I guess we'll start the story. Sorry, guys, I'm just forking. Yeah, it's taking back again. Sorry, guys, I'm just getting my water. Come on, you stupid game. I don't want to wait forever like last time. Oh yeah, guys, went to get a job and I was working with Lesai or something. So, he opens the door in the front of me without warning. Oh yeah, we've read this bit, guys. He said because it resets if you don't finish the chapter or the part you was at. So let's just okay. So we've read all this bit, but okay. I shook my shoulder that we got to hear about here because I remember this bit. I shook my shoulders. You call yes, I remember that bit. Do you think there isn't any other hands available for this point in this fucking conversation? There shouldn't be tones of people if you just looked around. I'm afraid, my lord, that there are not there are none able to at the moment. Cersei stares scarce. I can't say stares clearly. All hands are tried to run this reside, okay, under my command, and if I allow to be honest with you, none of the servants want to serve Lord Levy's room, since all of them are terrified of you. Oh, oh God. Why is he like a mask murderer or something? Yes, let's pay for it. You don't have to pay, you get tickets and then you can watch it for free. Oh, play it for free. Sorry. Sorry, I've been drinking water all day. Like, I went through 5 bottles of water. I've been that thirsty, I just don't know why. So it's gonna take the fucking piss again. So we're gonna be here a long time, always. Terrified. And Miss Louise asked me to let let her work for you in what? She said she wasn't interested working for anyone else, but you're smiling. If we're Lord Sleepy, she would ignore servants. I said, I spoke, but glanced at me as if he was warning me to keep my what? I can't freaking speak. I would be honest to work for an honor to work for my lord. Then she insults. Or if only her eyes were a little less for freaking. Guys, you know it's. What do you mean? Say, what do you say, Lord? I looked up to glance at Lord Levi, and our eyes met. Oh, he's blushing! Oh my god! But he looked away right away. Oh, he seems to be a little flushed. He seems to be a little flustered. My lord, could I have your answer, please? Suit yourself. Okay. Oh, sorry, I was wiping something off my screen and accidentally. Everything went well. Well, it went well, but Sir Kenji, as you can see, he doesn't do exponentially with, especially, fucking, I'm just going to keep that on with around him. People with around him, he prefers to be alone. I prefer to be alone as well. Yeah, I could see that. The thoughts I worry wishes a drama when I come choose made for him. Are you sure I'm ready to serve much a difficult person? I have none experience. Try. Okay, we can try. Oh god, that was loud. Okay, so it's gonna take the piss. Yeah, it's gonna take the peas. I like the game so far, but the loading needs to like short down a bit because it takes like minutes. Like this video has been rolling for like 10 minutes. So Kenji, I can't fucking say that. Oh well. Can be very pushy sometimes. I'll try your best. I wish you luck. Are you leaving me here? Ignore myself. All small and plain. So Kenji walks out of the eerie door and closes it behind him. What should I do? I decided for a second, but soon I headed to the far end of the room and where that would be. I took a peek and found Silhouette reading in his chair. Okay, you look sweet and cute, and I love your hair. It's blue and it's got like black streaks in, and it looks cute. I love your eyes actually because I'm like a brown and yellow. Sorry, fun stuff. Something about getting here. This is awkward. Lord Kenji, thank you for letting me work for you. I mumble and he stares at me for a while in comfortable silence. He seems to be really bad mood. Is he always like this? Wish Kenji didn't say any. Kenji, who the fuck is Kenji? Lesai didn't say a thing and went back to his book. I hope we could get some alone time. Oh no, I didn't mean that right. That's what I thought in my head. I hope we could get along somehow. Somehow that I wasn't brave enough to talk to him again and started to look around. What a gorgeous room. I was almost by the room. It was almost luxuries on every scene. The future and the look, fast look expended. I should have been careful not to break anything. Hey, you. Oh God, a voice calls on me, while I was drawing it. Okay, yeah, yes, my lord. Did Kenji tell you that your job was to stand there? No, man, he didn't. Then get to work. Oh God, he's like really pushy. He's like pushy, like a lot of pushiness. Like Leslie, he's like really pushy. So sorry, because every time we tried to get close to him, he's like in a mood. Sorry, I'm eating. Hurry up, you're taking a piss. I will, my lord. Where should I start? Alright, may I offer you... where should I start? Lord Levi, I called his name on answering, and he stared back at me. Where should I start? I can't you find anything to do? Can't you make yourself decision yourself? I'm sorry. As I shook their okay, confused, is not knowing what to do. Lord Levi opened his mouth in fucking shit. Sorry, I need to drink. Can you at least improve something propriety? Sure. I'll be right back. And I think the kitchen was this way. I was running around to find the kitchen and found walking towards me. Sir Kimji, Miss Louise, is please do not run in the hallways. It makes unbearing noise. I'm sorry. Why are you such in a hurry? And I ordered me to bring some tea. In the kitchen is this way? No, it's downstairs. Really? I was on the wrong floor. I didn't spend strangely long while you were running. It did. I did. It didn't. If I felt a contract would never end. It's because you're human. This is a demon's race spell. And after you, it is it. You should get used to it. I stopped him when walk away. Oh, sorry. Okay, so okay. Come on, demon. Let's get on to the next part. I'm tired. I didn't get enough sleep last night, I swear. So this is gonna take the piss, isn't it? Again. Seriously, if I fall asleep during this, I will have to fucking do it, and I'm not gonna be best happy if I fall asleep. Yes, what? It is time. You didn't tell me what to expect I should do. You will soon find out yourself. Now if you would excuse me, I am in a quite busy. He said, leaving me behind yet again, but it's unreasonable to tell someone to work without telling a single detail. Yes, I know that is bad. I hurried to the kitchen, sighed. This is not the kitchen, honey. This is your bedroom, I think, if I remember correctly. He sighed as I sat on the edge of my bed. Yesterday, somehow managed to end the first day as a chambermaid. I wouldn't call all it serious fall through. You're late. I'm sorry, my lord. You had me waiting for so long, and this is how you call tea is cold. I'm really sorry, but the kitchen was so hard, and I had no idea where everything was. I can't believe it. You can't even make a proper tea. Okay, sorry guys, I need a brief. Okay, okay. What made you think that you can do this job? Well, I think that's what Sarah made up to give me a job because nobody wanted it. What? Okay. Black screen again. Okay, okay, let's get this on. Loading. Large debate thing. I'm gonna die. Okay, guys. I was just looking out my window and a child was having a tantrum. And it was so freaking funny. I think he had a bike helmet and he's like, I ain't having it, and threw it on the ground. So, yes, that's my life. But let's get back to it. Nothing, I'm sorry. But after I managed to get the tea, I couldn't find it. Oh God. Yes, you're like me. I can't find my way in the house sometimes. But I knew what he would have cared even if I give his expression. And he might get even angrier. I would he still be angry today? Then he'd be disappointed. Okay, whatever. I sighed again. Bing. I heard a firm sound and then looked down to see what it was. Wow. The light, my lucky charm with the small bell, and I usually wear every day before I came to this world. I picked it up. My grandma gave it to me just before she passed away. Oh, my memories. It was in my pocket when I was brought to this world. I looked down at the small shiny charm on my hand and was half unconcerned when I was brought into the bed and fell asleep right away. On my first day, it almost half fell more in my pocket then. The small charms brought back the memories of my own world. Smart family, friends, I held it in tight. The pal. I can't go home. Can't I can go back. I've been inside this as the month. The month's training, it's probably or something. That's cheering me up. I heard loads between mood. It wasn't as easy. I thought it's get nervous again, but it's my job for now. I said I didn't do it to myself. Ring, Lord Leslie. Huh? The room was in print through Lord Leslie. What's going on? What's going on? Tell us what's going on. Yes. Now it's going to test loading. So I want to see what's happening. I want to see what happens. Oh my god, I'm cold. Oh. Come on. Oh. Come on. Make me go to sleep. So tired. You know, I might have to do this, like, upload it and just go straight to bed. I'm so fucking knackered. It's, like, unbelievable. I called the house, I called Lord Lindsay, but no answer back. That's strange. He told me to be here to express yesterday. What should I do? Wait in the room. I want to go back to my room. Go search for him. Oh, clear. Why is it clear? Maybe I should go search for him. But I remember that Lord Lindsay told me when I was leaving his room yesterday. He told me to come back to his room on the precise time. Would he be upset if I left without his permission? Well, he's not there, so, like, go. I wander in the front of me of the door for a while, but it's no use staying here. Oh, sorry. But where could he be? I can't think of any place that Lord Levi might be. I know nothing about him. When I was about to give up, sniff, 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 sniff. Who the fuck is sniffing at me? I heard a sound of someone crying. Someone crying? But who? Oh, a snivel, like... So, yeah. Without thinking, I started to walk to where the voice was coming from. Oh, this is a nice little cozy home. It comes from this room. I could hear the cry. I thought I was a bit nervous to open the door, but I made my mind and opened it. Sniff, sniff. Oh, it's cultural. There, I found cultural crying alone, sitting on the floor. What happened? Are you hurt? Miss Louise. I ran to him, and he looked up at me, his tear covering his cheek. He was holding something in his hand. No, it's okay. It's Ryu. Ryu? It's a name of the bird I take care of. I said he showed me what he may had in his hand. Oh, lying there, a lovely little bird. Its eyes were shut tight, as if it was asleep. It's not sleeping. He was fine until yesterday, but Kotaro couldn't finish the sentence. Tearing ran down his cheek again. Oh, I'm sorry, it must be hard to lose him. Kotaro's tears fell off on the bird's with feathers. With their feathers, the bird didn't open its eyes. It was just lying there, turning cold. He must have been a good friend to you. Yes, I raised him for when he was a little chick. No matter how far he flew away, he'll always come back whenever I called his name. Oh, he did. He sounded like an amazing bird, but I knew he would be long. He was getting old, but still, I want a little more time with him. I know. The sadness in Kotaro's voice made my heart ache. I don't know what to say to him at a time like this. I can't find the right words to tell him. What you doing? Who's that? Who's there? So yeah. Oh, we've run out of tickets, so we've run out of tickets, and yes.